Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics, and today is Monday Mail Day. But so check it out. Before I open these, I did want to say that I got them from Dave Langston and his fam. So right now, it's actually Sunday night when I film this, and then I'm gonna upload it Monday morning at midnight. But I'm actually watching them right now. They're on Facebook. So I've actually got 2 auctions from them done so far. This is my 3rd one that I think I'm gonna grab some stuff. But I wanted to show you what I grabbed from them the first time, and then I'm gonna open up the stuff that I got from him. But yeah, I got this super goof. I took it out of the plastic. It was like the $2 buy buy it now, and then this Donald Duck. So these are awesome. I used to have those when I was a kid. Yeah, and then I also grabbed this from him. The Uncanny X-Men number 164, first appearance of Binary. You may remember her, powers as seen in movies such as, or stories such as Dark Phoenix and Captain Marvel. But let's go ahead, and before I open those 2 mail days, I wanted to show you a few other pickups I got this past week. So ignore the price tag. I actually got it for 10% off, but this is my 5th copy of Venom number 3, first appearance of Null. White pages, of course, it better be, it's brand new. And yeah, Donny Cates. I have a couple signed ones. I have the variant, the Addy Granoff variant that Donny signed, as well as Addy. And then, yeah, Venom. Speaking of Venom, I also grabbed this. Yeah, 9.6. I got it from one of the LCS here in San Diego, TC's Rockets. And Venom number 7, Clayton Crain, one of my favorite covers by Clayton. So yeah. And then, oh yeah, so Dave has these giveaways or whatever. So he'll put your name into a raffle, and at the end of the night, he'll give you some free comics. For example, I got this Huntress for free, threw it in there. And then there was another one that I got for free, but I don't have it on me. I grabbed Steelbook of Captain Marvel. And yeah. Ooh, look what's on Dave's channel right now. Which, by the way, so I could tell you what it is, because I'm probably going to forget to put it in the link description below. Comic Universe Online Sales and Auction. But yeah, he's got some Godzilla, King of the Monsters on right now. And yeah, I'm watching that, so excuse me if it takes away from this. So let me go ahead and open. So I got something from, is it AMS Comics on Instagram, or AMC Comics? I don't know, Geek Eugene. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this last auction I got from Dave, and yeah, cool. Let me go ahead and check this one out. Let's see what's in there. Seeing if there's a pull tab. I didn't see one. Made my own. Alright. Dave, he gets these shipped out super quick. For example, this was from Wednesday's auction or Tuesday's auction, and I got them like 3 days later because he does priority mail, and he ships them pretty good. Not bad. He's able to fit a good bunch in there. Looks like I lost. Okay, yeah, he's got Godzilla. Ooh, Young Avengers in the buy it now. So yeah, I won a couple of the raffles, the free giveaways at the end of the night. Tonight he's doing a free $50 credit chance to get that. So like the more you buy, every time you buy something, he'll throw a ticket with your name on in there. So nice. So Dazzler, this is the Michael Jackson cover. That's pretty sick. Amazing Spider-Man. We got this first appearance of Harry Osborn as Green Goblin. Got for a steal, pretty good condition, if I do say so myself. It's a key right there. I got this in one of the Buy It Nows. The Scarlet Witch cover is probably one of my favorites. I like that white background, and it's pretty sweet. Speaking of Scarlet Witch, I think... Oh, okay, so I got some Marvel team-ups, number 41. I don't remember which ones are the keys. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I do. First appearance of Captain Britain. Marvel team-up featuring Spider-Man and Captain Britain. One of my free books. So these are those raffle tickets I'm talking about. They put in a bowl and they do it live. Battle Axes, number 1. I got Batman number 49 from the Snyder run. Ooh, Dazzler number 1. It looks a little offset, but yeah, it does. Looks like it was cut on the corner. One of the 50 centers. Dazzler number 4. And Dazzler number 18. And let me go ahead. Is it AMS sales? Yeah, I think it's AMS sales. It's pretty cool. You just put claimed in the comment section below, and then he'll send you an invoice for PayPal. Probably should have did it using the tab so I could have reused it, but whatever. Hope everyone had a great weekend. I know mine's great. Smart man using priority boxes for cardboard. Excuse me. These got here pretty quick. I think I got them on Thursday and I got them on Saturday, 2 days later. And they're coming from Oregon, so that's probably why. West Coast. Yep. Just $2. I added one. You just combine shipping, no problem. So I grabbed this one because it's a yellow cover and I'm like a sucker for yellow covers. The Amazing Spider-Man number 692. This is a variant edition for the 50 years. The all yellow cover is pretty sweet. Near mint as advertised. I don't know who drew this, but it would be cool to get a remark on this, or a sketch, like a small sketch on it. So that's pretty cool. And then so there's a reason why I got this one for so cheap. I don't think it's a reprint or anything. I think it's just the color. Maybe they like stored this in a window. Other than the color, it looks near mint. If this is a variant, please correct me. But I got the Power of Warlock, Rodin, and the Hounds of Helios. So, from my understanding, this is the first appearance of. You got the first appearance of Adam. So it's Adam Warlock now. Let me see if it's a reprint. Marvel Premiere. Yellow pages. Published 1972. 20 cents per copy. 1972. So, I don't know, man. Besides the color, it's pretty cool. But, yeah, maybe some little, like, small creases that could be pressed out. But yeah, kind of want to just get the whole set of the Warlock. But yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for being here. It's High Road Comics, and I'll see you at the next stop.